Hi friends! Today we're gonna draw a cute cat holding her favorite cup. Let's get started. First, let's draw a tall rectangle with nice rounded corners. Right in the middle of your page. This will be the foundation for our cat's body and its adorable head. Next, let's add the ears. So at the top left corner of your rectangle, you're gonna draw a triangle pointing upwards. That's our first ear. And we're gonna move to the top right corner and draw another triangle, just like the first one for the other ear. So now let's give our kitty some personality. So in the middle of the cat's face, a little towards the left, I'm gonna draw a small oval. We're gonna use blue for the main color of our cat's eyes. I'll draw a same size oval on the right. So inside each blue oval, I'm gonna add a small black oval for the pupils. And we're gonna shade it in with black. And right between the eyes, I am going to draw a tiny heart shape as the nose. Shade it in purple. And just below the nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line out to the left, and then a curved line extending out to the right. So these are our cat's little sweet smiles. Now I'm gonna draw the cat's arms. So on the left side of the cat's body, I am going to draw a curved line that goes towards the center, rounding back, and same on the right side. Add two soft curves to separate the fingers. At the very bottom of the cat's body, I'm gonna draw two tiny rectangles. That's the cat's feet. Now I'm gonna shade it in first. On the right side of the body, I am going to draw a tail. So for the tail, we're gonna start right from the lower back of the cat's body, and we're gonna draw a long curve outwards. At the top, I'm gonna bring it back down, round it off, and then come back following the same curve that we just drew. And I'm going to shade it in first, and then I'm gonna add some details. But first, let's color them. Well, our cat needs her coffee, so I'm gonna draw a curved line out. And then I'm gonna follow the same angle under the arms, and then gonna draw like a rectangle shaped cup. The center of the cup, I'm gonna draw another purple heart. And And then we're gonna shade in the rest of the cup. Now we're gonna go ahead to fill in the color of the cat. I'm gonna use yellow as the main color of the cat, and then I'm gonna add some patterns afterwards. For this part, I am going to fast forward, but feel free to pause my video if you need more time to color your cat. And now we're going to fill the inside of the ear with brown. And we're going to add some stripes. So I'm gonna add 3 stripes here. So what we do is we draw a curved line down, round it off, and go back up and fill it in with brown. And we're gonna add some stripes here. And on the other side, the same patterns. And don't forget the tail, so I'm gonna add some stripes on the tail as well. Don't forget to shade in the rest of the eye. So blue is the main color of the eye area. Now we're gonna use a thin Sharpie. I'm gonna draw the whiskers. So I'm gonna give myself 3 points on each side. So I'm gonna draw 3 whiskers on each side, but I'm gonna make sure that they are like symmetrical. So what you do is that you first give yourself 3 points on one side, and then you're gonna draw it here on the other side to give yourself the same 3 points that, you know, they're around the same height. So now I'm gonna draw from this side first. I'm gonna start with the point, draw it out, and then curve it up. Draw it out, curl it, just like this. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. So I'm gonna do this. How cute. Now I'm gonna add some final details. So I'm gonna add some pink blushes on the cheeks. Draw same size oval on the other side and fill it in with pink. Finally, we're going to add some soft curves here on the feet to separate the toes. And that is our cute cat holding her favorite cup. I hope you loved drawing along with me today, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more fun drawing adventures, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the weekly uploads. Let me know in the comments what you want to draw next, and I'll see you next time.